Udokotela Ramohopa uthe uhulumeni kanye ne-Eskom basebenza kanzima ukuzama ukubuyisa umthamo wamandla ogesi. Uhlelo olukhona njengamanje lukahulumeni olungumkhombandlela wokulungiswa kwenkinga yogesi luqagula ukuthi ngasekupheleni konyaka kufanele i-Eskom ibe seyinomthamo ongu-2000 megawatts eziphehleni zawo zogesi.
So the point we're making is that there has to be some degree of agency. You can see some of these projects that they have announced they are only connecting end of the financial year, calendar year, some of them next year, but we need to move with speed and address the issue that constitute an emergency as I speak to you, so that we are able to protect the South African economy.
I-Eskom ithi ukwephuka kwemishini yayo emithathu esiphehlini ikusile kuzoba nomthelela omubi wokuthi izakhamizi zizobhekana nobusika obunzima ngenxa yokunqamuka kogesi.
This year as well, this winter, we're also going through this winter without a unit at Quebec, which is something that is first for us in generation, but it's also the commitment that we have to deal with a long-term operation of Quebec Power Station. So we've got about 3,000 megawatts that are currently off, which makes this winter extremely difficult to deal with.
Kusenjalo ungqongqoshe wezogesi uphinde wazibophezela ngokuthi uhulumeni wenza konke okufanele kwenziwe ngokwezinhlelo zemisebenzi eyehlukene ukubuyisela umthamo omkhulu wamandla ogesi kuzwelonke.